In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use editor.wix.com for your website design and management. By the end of this video, you'll be confident in navigating the Wix editor and making the necessary adjustments to ensure your site functions perfectly and looks stunning. Let's imagine you're in the middle of a project and you find yourself in preview mode within Wix. The first thing you need to do is click on the option labeled Back to Editor. This step is crucial because it allows you to exit the preview and make those important edits. And think of the editor as your workshop, where you have all the tools you need right at your fingertips to bring your website vision to life. Once you're back in the editor, you might notice that some elements or perhaps some of the text aren't quite as you'd like them. Maybe there's an image overlapping the text, or perhaps a button isn't quite where you intended it to be. This is your opportunity to make those critical tweaks. Simply click on the element that needs adjustment. Wix provides a user-friendly interface where you can drag elements to rearrange them or click on text boxes to enter new content. This is your chance to ensure every component of your site looks exactly how you imagined and functions without any hitches. After you've made your adjustments, it's time to review your work by clicking Preview again. Think of this as your rehearsal before the big performance. You're going through the motions to make sure everything looks seamless. In preview mode, carefully go through the website, navigate through the different pages, click on the buttons, and examine the content layout. Check for any discrepancies or issues that might have slipped under the radar during the editing process. Finally, once you've double-checked everything and are satisfied with how your site looks and operates, it's time to publish your site. This step is where your hard work takes its final bow and becomes available for public viewing. Simply hit Publish, and your updated website will go live, ready to impress visitors with its polished appearance and smooth functionality. Remember, the key to using editor.wix.com effectively is patience and attention to detail. Every small change you make can significantly impact the overall look and feel of your website. With practice, you'll find it becomes second nature to make these adjustments swiftly and confidently. So go ahead, dive into the Wix editor, make those changes, preview your work, and publish your stunning website for the